I'm Red. Welcome to the scrapyard. Well, I was hoping I was going to have paint on the Pinto today, but I forgot, man, that Tester's Gold, it takes a while to harden up, even if you do thin it with lacquer thinner. So, I decided I wasn't going to waste my time, so I tried some other paint. I got the fresh paint on the dog catcher. That's that Surfite. Fresh paint on the dog catcher. That's that Surfite yellow. It looks pretty good. I tell you what, that's antique paint, man. It paints, the jar of paint come out of is 55 years old, right? And that laid down good. No problems. All right. And the color I was planning to put on the Pinto, I was going to use stoplight red. Well, I had a few jars of it I stocked up, and I had to run across the deal on it, and bought some. And I go to get it out and mix it up, and most of it changed color. There's one bottle of old stock I got that's still the right color. It's dark red with a metallic in it, right? And this one's passable. It's not quite as dark as the other one. But these other three jars, well, this one ain't. That's regular red. But these other two jars, there's another one around here somewhere, turned pink. I mean, one of them's pink as hell, and the other one's just kind of a rose pink color. But I don't know. I've never had paint do like that. And I got looking, and I said, okay, well, I says, because I put I fixed the base coat on this one, the silver on this, and so I'm thinking. I said, well, so I can choose some jade green metallic on it. That'll look pretty good. Go and get my jade green metallic, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's turned into like a bronze color, like a metallic zinc chromate, a yellowish, greenish bronze looking. So I don't know what's up with that, but anyway. Oh, I want to give a shout out to Leon over at Model Cars 1589. I got his shop card in yesterday. He's a nice guy. I mean, you need to check out his builds. He does some awesome low riders. He's got a collection of Impalas, and it's some really neat stuff. You need to check him out, man. Leon does some good stuff. But yeah, and then I said, well, all right, I've had this other 34 Ford sitting around, and I said, all right. I said, well, I had a problem with the top, and I was going to fix it. So I sprayed some more 55-year-old paint. I had some Roth Pearl White, and I sprayed it on there. But when I peeled my tape off, and I guess it's my own damn fault for not using primer underneath that blue. But so anyway, that's going back in the pond. The Pearl White laid down pretty good, though. I had my doubts because it looked kind of yellowish in the jar, but once I got it all mixed up, it come out all right. But anyway, there's that, and I just want to throw an idea out there. I know right now everybody's like freaking out about group builds and all that, but I kind of want to do one. I want to do a Model T group build. I mean, Model T covers a lot of territory, man. Everything from a stock Model T to XR6 to I don't know, Tony Nasty's 22 Junior. I mean, Model T covers a lot of territory, man. That's you could even set up build a model of a sawmill powered by Model T. I mean, uh, I think it'd be a good build in. I know we all got T's laying around, man. You know, I mean, it seems like half the crap I got, man, is Model T's, man. I got 3 of the green stripe 25T kits and a couple of the chopped T's and, you know, this, that, and the other. I mean, but tell me what you think. If it's a good idea, man, if it is, I'll do it. And, you know, I'll host it and we'll make it nice and long, you know, 6 months or 6 or 8 months, something like that. And everybody can take their time and just work on it if they want to, man. But anyway, let me know what you think. Just throwing it out there. That's really all I got, man. I was kind of disappointed I wasn't able to shoot paint on my Pinto, but I mean my Vega. But I've been piddling around working on this other stuff, and I got so much crap here I got to get done, man. And there I am talking about wanting to do a group build, but but I think it'd be fun, man. You know, like I said, we all got Model Ts. Anyway, let me know what you think down in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Um, you know the drill. Anyway, y'all have a good night, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.